Are you truly running your business or it's running you? Many professionals and self-employed individuals take the leap from corporate life into entrepreneurship, confident in the skills they have mastered. Whether it's marketing, human resource, IT, investments, accounting, or something else. In the corporate world, you thrived, earned recognition, and thought, why not build my own empire? So you dive in. At first, business is booming, and life looks great. Nice car, vacations, and the freedom you have always dreamed of. But here is a catch. Without even realizing it, you may have stepped into a golden cage. As the owner, you find yourself handling everything, from major decisions like financing and expansion to small details like picking the tea brand for your office, or even the coffee, or even the lunch that you take. You are the go-to person for every problem and every decision. Does this sound familiar? While it may feel like dedication, this is often the mark of a business owner who can't let go. You believe you must oversee every aspect because nobody can do it as well as you. This mindset, however, traps you. You have swapped corporate chains for entrepreneurial shackles. You are still tied down, except now you're working for your business rather than letting it work for you. Think about it. The exhaustion you feel from being always on is real. The endless decision, big or small, are wearing you down. Decision fatigue kicks in, leaving you mentally drained and stalling your growth. You can't scale, and worst of all, you can't step away. This is where the real trap lies. Your business could be a vehicle for your freedom, but if you don't learn to delegate, build a competent and reliable team, and focus on leading rather than doing, you remain confined. Your golden cage may be shiny and impressive, but it's still a cage. So here's a question. Are you building a business that serves you, or are you serving the business? So what is your ideal thought about, we stepping out of the business, we stepping out from the employment where we have been and setting up our businesses, only to find ourselves trapped in that now you're doing everything day in, day out, and you cannot even have time to grow your business? What is your thought? What is the remedy for this? I've told you that you have to create a system that works for you, so that you create, you buy time for you to do what matters in the business. I would like to hear your thought in the comment section. See you in the next one.